In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can make money promoting your Canva affiliate links. Make sure you watch this entire video to figure out which method works best for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Now, if you know anything about me, you know that I love Canva. I think Canva is probably one of the top 5 websites for internet and digital marketers because there's so many different use cases, and you can actually use it to make money. Now, with Canva, they do have an affiliate program. That's why you're here. Affiliate programs actually manage through Impact Radius. So what you will need to do is you will need to sign up with Impact Radius. Now that's free, and then you'll have to apply to become an affiliate with Canva, and you can earn commissions when people sign up to the premium account. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some of the different ways that you can make money with Canva. Now, one of the best ways, and I think the easiest way, is simply to help people start a side hustle. If we come over to Etsy, basically you can type in printable or digital planner or digital download, and you can see that people are creating these printables. And if people want to get started with a side hustle for free, Canva is a great way to go. In fact, they have a ton of templates over here. If we typed in planner, now I do want to let you know that you can't just download planners and then sell them on Etsy, but what you can do is you can either tell people about this as an option or show people how to create their own planners right in Etsy, or excuse me, right in Canva, and start making money. So if I jump over to YouTube here, I just typed in side hustle, and there's thousands of different variations for side hustle. You could do passive income, side hustles for free, side hustles without money. There's a ton of different ways to go, but you can see there are millions of views to be had. We could say side hustle for free, or free to start side hustles, but you can see people are creating content showing you how to start a side hustle or an online business and make money for free. And one of the ways that you can use it is with Canva. Canva has a ton of free resources. Everyone that gets started with Canva falls in love with Canva so much that they will eventually try some of the premium resources, and then you can actually make money. And the cool thing with Canva, the pro version, is that it's not too expensive. So if we look at this, you can try it for free for 30 days, and then they have a $9.99 monthly yearly plan. So you would pay, I think it's like $180 or something like that for the entire year. But this is just one way. Again, you type in side hustles for free. Another thing that you can do is you can teach people how to create thumbnails over on Fiverr. Again, people are looking to start a freelancing side job. What you could do if we type in YouTube thumbnail, and YouTube thumbnail is a huge business over on Fiverr. As you can see, YouTube thumbnail. A lot of these YouTube thumbnails are created for free with Fiverr, and it's not really that hard to make. If you look at these are basically a collection of different images. You could build this right over on Canva. You show people how to do that. In fact, if we go back over to Canva, if we go back over to YouTube, we could say how to make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. This top result here has 41,000 views, and this person only has 2.5 thousand subscribers. So as you can see, there is opportunity here with making a thumbnail over on Canva, and you can do this either to show people how to make money, or just really if they want to improve their thumbnails. But this is a really easy way to start making money. Now the key will be to be consistent. So you'll have to create how to make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva, and then you may have to show them how to do it on their phone, and you can actually show them how to use their Canva app on their iPhone with Photoshop and so on. But this is a really good opportunity, and I think it's relatively easy. For example, if we jump over to Canva, let's get out of the payment stuff, and we just type in YouTube thumbnail, there's a ton of templates that you can show them how to use and modify. For example, if we go YouTube thumbnail, so you can do this is a whole business in and of itself, how to start a side hustle with YouTube without creating videos. If we go over to YouTube, I'll show you people are creating videos on that all day, every day. But YouTube thumbnail, there's a ton of templates that you can just use and modify and show people how to do it. Now you'll see that a lot of these are free, but if they have this little crown here, it means it's pro. but there are a ton of free ones that you can use. In fact, you can sort this by free, and you can see there's a lot of opportunity out here, and it's really, really easy. A lot of these are basically done for you, and I'm sure if you watched enough YouTube videos, you've seen these before. And people are making money over on Fiverr creating these thumbnails right over on Canva. So if I just want to jump back and show you how to make money on YouTube without, and as you can see here, people are creating all sorts of videos showing you or showing their viewers how to make money on YouTube without creating videos. And one of the methods will be to reach out to small and medium-sized content creators and offer to do their YouTube thumbnails for as little as $10 per thumbnail. I know that this is happening because people often reach out to me and say, I want to do your YouTube thumbnails for $8. I'll even do a pack of 10 just to show you how good I can do it. But as you can see, how to make money on YouTube without creating videos, how to make money on YouTube without creating content. If I click on this first one, I'm sure a lot of them are going to be talking about actually reaching out to content creators that are between the sizes of 500 and 10,000 subscribers and offering to do their thumbnails. But this is another very good opportunity. Another way that you can make money with Canva is with Instagram, Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Now, the reason why you can make money this way is Canva has a bunch of templates that you can use and download for your TikTok videos. A lot of people want to get on TikTok, but they're afraid of showing their face. And so what you can do is you can type in, we'll type in TikTok, or you can type in TikTok video. You can type in mobile video. As you can see, these are done for you videos that you could actually hire people or teach people how to do it right on YouTube, how to create TikTok videos without showing your face, and then put in a link right to Canva. And then people will download, get Canva, and then they'll want to order or buy the premium, upgrade to premium. But if we go back over to YouTube again, people are going to create how to create TikTok videos without showing your face, And again, you can do this with Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. And this is a big business. People are asking this question all day, every day. How to make money on TikTok without showing your face. Beginner guide, $500 per day. Top result, 23,000 views. This person does have 145,000 subscribers, so there's a lot of subscribers. But look at the one beneath it, 7,000 views, 1.7 thousand subscribers. So this is a teeny tiny channel with respect to the large numbers of subscribers that are out there. And you can see this is an opportunity again, and you can show people step by step how to create content over on Canva. You can show them how to use a template. You can show them how to do whatever it takes, and then they can download it to their computer. And I just want to show you exactly, here's an example of a video that I uploaded. I'm actually going to mute this real quick. And this was done over in Canva. In fact, what you can do is you can actually, you could angle this more towards virtual assistants and VAs. For example, this video was done by a VA. This person went out, did a little bit of research, figured out some different tips to share. They've created the content. They've actually uploaded it to TikTok. And if I'm being honest and transparent with you, any video where you don't hear my voice or show my face, these videos were created right in Canva. You show people how to do this, how to make money as a VA or a freelancer creating TikTok videos. And again, this is a big business over on Fiverr as well. If we scroll up here, we'll go TikTok videos, TikTok video, like that, hit enter, and people are creating TikTok videos for you using Canva. There's just a number of opportunities. Another way that you can make money is with the wedding niche. Now, if we go back over to Canva here, the cool thing is, and I actually did a video about this over on TikTok, is that one way that you can make money with Canva is simply creating table numbers. So if we go up here to Canva, we'll do table numbers like this, and we can hit enter. I should have put wedding table numbers, but as you can see, Carol Smith, table 4. You could make something like this. You could go find fonts online. You could create your own fonts, and you just create table numbers 1 through infinity. You could put custom names on it and then sell it over on Etsy. So if we go back over to Etsy and we do table numbers, gotta spell these words right here, table numbers. As you can see, table numbers wedding, table numbers template. We're just going to click on this table numbers wedding, and people are doing this. Printable table numbers. If I type in printable table numbers, you're going to see there are tons of opportunity. Printable table numbers. And another thing just popped up. You can also do the same thing with wall art. You could create art digitally on Canva and then sell it over on Etsy. Look at this. This is a table number that people are selling. This top result here, selling for $5.95. It's actually an ad, but you can see people are creating these table numbers, and you could do it for weddings. You could do it for bar mitzvahs or any other event where numbers need to be tabled. So you can see there's a lot of opportunity out here, and you just really need to decide. And the key will be is to help solve a problem. You are targeting people or looking for people that want to start a freelancing gig, that maybe want to grow their TikTok account or YouTube shorts or whatever it may be, or people that are looking to make money as a side hustle or even passive income. Because if you are creating printable table numbers, it's all basically done for you. All right, so let's recap real quick. You can make money with TikTok videos, showing people how to create TikTok videos without being on camera. You can show people table numbers. You can show your potential customers side hustle, freelancers, YouTube thumbnails, actually the entire YouTube niche. You could jump back over here and say how to create. What you could do is show people how to create a YouTube banner. As you can see, how to create a YouTube banner on Canva. How do you create a YouTube banner on your iPhone? There's a lot of opportunity. This top result here, 168,000 views, only 12,000 subscribers, a small channel relative to the size of YouTube. And there's a lot of opportunity. I recommend that you guys jump on this, find one that you like, show people how to do something, help solve a problem. You know that these people want to make money because they're creating content on side hustles or passive income, or how to create something. You can put your affiliate link and then just refer to the affiliate link in the description of your video. Now that you know how to promote your Canva affiliate link, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.